Thank you, Superintendent Walston, for inviting the team in to be recognized. We love that kind of thing. This is Team 5150. We are from Danbury High School, and this is the 11th year that we have been around. Last year was a non-year. As we know, we tried to do a couple things, and it did not work out. And I was a little wary of reconstituting, hoping we can get back to where we were, and boom, all of a sudden, there's all these children here ready to go and really chomping at the bit to get back into it. And so I said, we're going to be recognized. Can you show up on, I know it's close to Thanksgiving, and they're like, yeah, we'll be there. I said, okay, so here is what we have. We have a little demonstration. The name of the game is Tipping Point. We have these weighted goals, and we're supposed to put up on these movable platforms. This is like a teeter-totter, and you can drive them up, or you can place them over. So we have 4 teams. We have 5150D, 5150E, 5150J, and H. And these are our 4 drivers. This is Josh, Cam, Jerry, and Sharva. They are they drive the horse, so they have a very important job. And they're going to demonstrate for you a couple things over here. But what we're going to do is we're going to bring in our team members because of the whole, can't have everyone in here at one time. We're going to bring in the teams one at a time. Can I have the J team, please? Okay, this is our J team. They've been around for about 5 years. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we have 9 total. And they are working with this robot called what is it, Henry? Jodbot. Okay, I don't know. Cameron, please take it away. Okay, and these robots this is part of the VEX robotics system. And this is completely, of course, wireless, and the regular matches are 100 and, oh, gosh, I get out of that. 1 minute 45 seconds, plus a 15-minute autonomous part, and Cam will do the driving for us as soon as.
And of course, it never works when I have cameras on.
Of course, it never works. Okay. Guys, can you turn all the other robots on? They're in competition mode. They're worried to run out of battery power.
Sorry, been a while.
It's been since Saturday.
Okay, listen. Nothing with the robot works properly. We've been working on it.
Okay.
Basically, the main thing that I can do right now is grab a hold of these guys
And move them around.
Yeah, and also with these rings, we're able to innovate it.
Oh, it's up.
They drive around, but then we can actually go up.
Oh, okay. Very good. Okay, that's a J button. Oh, and it almost got it on there. Okay, so we're working on this. It's we're working on it. Okay, very good. Okay, grab that off. J bot. H team. We'll get H team in here. H team, please. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 veterans from the 2019-2020 team. Everyone else is new to this whole situation. Jerry is a veteran. He's going to drive for you right now. Go ahead, Jerry. And again, one of the objects is when they are up on the platform, they're called elevated and balanced, because if you don't have them balanced, they are weighted, and they can fall off, and then you, of course, don't get any points for that. Good. And HBOT is already qualified for the Southern New England Regionals in March in Massachusetts. EBOT people, come on in. on in, E-Team. Spread out. Spread out. There you go. Okay, this is E-Team. They are brand new. They never even knew how to robot before they got here in September. And so they are brand new to this whole thing. They have done amazing over the past couple of weeks. Where's Josh? Josh the senior. He is a first-time robot person. He is our driver. You can bring it over and do a little something. And it might be a little out of adjustment. We did just come off of a competition on Saturday, and I had conferences, so we couldn't have our regular practice. So. Okay, do a wheel. Okay, that's right. All right. Okay, out. D-Team, come on in. All right, this is our D-Team. D-Team is our first robotics team that we ever had in 2010, and they have a legacy of being to Worlds 7 times, and this is our heaviest veteran-oriented team. Every team has to do what's called an engineering notebook. Can we hold that up? And that engineering notebook won Best Engineering Notebook the first 3 times out. So we carry that around in a briefcase with attached to handcuffs because that is one heck of a notebook. Sharva, who was a legacy, his older brother was on this team not many years ago, 5 years ago. So Sharva's a legacy, he's our driver, go ahead. You've got to turn the air on. This does have a pneumatic system that they have to pump up with a pump every time they start a match. You can hear the sound that it makes when it releases the air. Okay.